This is my 1967 Chevelle Pro Street. It's an AMT kit. I just got this together a couple weeks ago. It's pretty much box stock. I'm still experimenting as I'm new to the hobby, so I'm trying different paints, and this black was rather tough. I don't have the hood on it because I tried to do some wet sanding and kind of burnt through some of the areas, so I'll have to repaint the hood later on. But like I said, this is pretty much box stock. Does have some nice wheelie bars out the back. Looks pretty cool. The paint that I used on this was Anita's glossy black, and it's an acrylic paint. And then I shot Tamiya Clear over top of that. And then I just used the Novus products to polish it out. But it came out okay. Did a little detailing in the engine area. It's hard to get my camera to focus here. There we go. I put the plug wires on it. Bought my own wire. It's 30 gauge wire. Made my own plug wires. Came out pretty good. The interior, I did a little detailing. The seats are painted with Model Masters leather, and then the light color you see is Tamiya's buff. I kind of like those two colors. They go together pretty good. But had a little trouble with the front and rear bumpers, trying to get those to fit up just right. But they seem to go on okay after a while of fighting for a little bit. Not too bad of a kit. I think the 1956 Ford pickup, the Foose edition, was the kit I built before this, and I got spoiled on that one, I believe, because that was an excellent kit. So this one kind of slid downhill a little bit on me, but that's about it.